Bienvenida to NGS Clusters 6 and 8. Jesus Misael de Almendralejo, DA DFAR ATI ATL. Jana P. Tapangan, DOH ATL. Arsenio A. Alino, DAR ATM. Sidney Roy B. Castilla, DSWD, DOST, PSHS, NTC, ATM. Welcome, welcome, welcome. May you have a fruitful work experience in our cluster. New audit team composition of NGS Cluster 6 and 8. Team R13-18, Team Leader Jana P. Tapangan, Team Members Lawrence G. Bagayas, Aubrey D. Arapan, Bina O. Cadorna. Team R13-19, Team Leader Analu P. Tagadan, Team Members Jason Ringo T. Arino, Shah R. Anza. Team R13-20 and 21, Team Leader Sharon S. Azote, Team Members Edeta L. Paredes, Roy B. Castilla, Johnmar F. Cero, Juhaila D. Faisal. Team R13-29, Team Leader Jess Almendralejo, Team Members Irene Tapon, Hannah Abiliana, Charlene Acabado. Team R13-30, Team Leader Rodelo I. Cabrera, Team Members Farah Ibarra, Ezekiel Escol, Jemima Ganancial. Team R13-31, Team Leader Marion Monroy, Team Members Faith Silvano, Mel Magtibay. Team R13-32, Team Leader Amalia Amabaw, Team Members Rowena Galabo, Arsenio Alino, Vergo Botcon. Good luck and God bless you all. Arriba, NGS 6 and 8.